Hello guys and welcome to another unboxing. Thanks for tuning in, and we're gonna do a Batman 10 pack plus one little stand for a plane, maybe. Let's see. Yep, this is a good set because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 Batmobiles. Last set, I think it only had like 2 or 3, and everything else was, well, we did get a plane and then 2 more or 3 more Batmobiles, but this is the one I was really waiting for. So let's get to it. We're not gonna take much time on the other cars. Let's just so we have a fire rescue or rapid response, what's they call. We have a Grand Cross with Harley Quinn deco in it. We have the track manga with Flash deco. It's actually okay. Muscle tone with Wonder Woman deco. Again, it's alright. Alright. And this one, the Drifter with the Green Lantern. Okay, let's start with this one right here. It's bottom and way up. Batmobile from one of the animated series, and it's not a gold, even though it kind of looks like gold. I don't know, like a bronze, you could say. Pretty cool. Then we have the Arkham Asylum, one of my favorite Xbox games. It's pretty good, with taillights and headlights, and the red windshield. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't have that one, so this one, purple. It's not of my favorites. I think this is either Batman versus Superman or Justice League. One of those. It's alright. Not my favorite Batmobile, but I don't have that color, so. Then we have the Batplane, not to be confused with the Batwing. This one, it's being hot. There we go. It's from the Batman animated series, the original one, I think. Pretty sure. Blue camouflage kind of design. This whole thing is metal except for this. This is plastic, but this is heavy and pretty cool. Pretty cool. And last but not least, from the Batman, the latest Batman movie, the Batmobile, NASCAR looking Batmobile with a metal base. Whoa, this thing's heavy too. And a gray with a red stripe. I don't know what that stripe is for. Doesn't make sense, but that gray is pretty cool. And the exposed engine. It's just awesome car. Awesome car. Anyway, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I like Batman stuff. It's one of my biggest collections, and I enjoy it. Hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.